Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to flatten a 3D drawing. So for example, you can draw rectangle and I will draw circle in here. Okay, you can move to the right. The next, use the extrude tools to convert into 3D these two objects. And then I will use the subtract tools to subtract the box objects with the cylinder objects. Now, if you want to flatten these objects like in the front view, you can change into the front view. And in there, I will copy the objects to drag here. The next, you can type flatten, press enter and select the objects. Enter again, and I will choose no to set the hidden lines. So it will be flattens the object from the front view. If you want to flatten in the top view, you can change into the top view and use the flatten command. Select the objects, enter, and enter to change into flatten. Okay, that's it for a basic REST commander tutorial how to flatten a 3D drawing.